got all our pieces cut. This one's going to be the mango. You can see that sweet curl on that one. And this one's going to be the maple. See the curl there. Both of them are going to have Monkeypod centers along with the handles. You can see the wood grain there. Awesome stuff. So we'll get these put together and we'll see how they look. Alright guys, so we got them sized up, sanded, ready to rock and roll. Now ready to glue them up. Let's get to it. Guys, got them all squared up. Put a 3-degree face on each side of both. Online they talk about anywhere from 2 to 4. So we would have did 3 right in the middle. Now we just got to get into the chamfers, the handles, and the heads. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so next we have to figure out where we want our handle so we can route it. So for us, we go about 1 inch either way of our hand. And that'll be where we round off the corners here. This one, since it's a little longer, we went a little bit bigger. So a 2-handed design, in case you really have to get at something. Don't think we will, but it's a good idea, right? Alright, let's get to routing. Alright guys, so we're nearing the end of the build here. We'll look it up, let you get a look at it. So we got everything sanded, got everything chamfered along the heads there. As you can see, we already got the 2 plugs started in this one. Before, it looked like those, with those slots. This one's also chamfered. You can see the size difference in the 2. So, super excited about getting these together and getting a finish on it. And then we'll see what they look like. And that's the one. Mango Monkeypod. Works well. What's up, guys? Mallet builds are done. First one here is the maple and Monkeypod. See the Monkeypod in the center? This side looks cool, I think. We branded both sides. Super stoked about how they turned out. Monkeypod's gorgeous wood, so is maple in this case. The next one is mango, and this is a bigger one. So mango and Monkeypod, they work extremely well together. You can see the dents in this one. We've already taken pallets apart. Held up well, swings well. It's a good weight ratio. So all in all, we're super excited and super stoked with the builds. So hope you enjoyed. If you got any questions, let us know.